Guys, one of the great things about having a donor car, parts car, is you can use it for parts. Welcome to an episode of Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks today, guys. And I already loosened this up for everybody on the old other PT Chrysler here, but check this out, right? Now this light's already a little beat up. So if you're taking that out, you basically pop this little screw off on the PT Chrysler, and then it's held on by clamps. Sometimes you got to give it a little pop from the top, and it'll slide out, and it'll come right out. Although this one I've pre-loosened. Okay, so you got your bolt, your one screw in the PT Chrysler right there, and then we are going to slide this off. You turn this to the right, pop that sucker out, and then they tape this one for some reason. So I'm going to get back to you in a sec. Okay, guys, so I got the tape removed here. There we go, and off we go over to the other PT Chrysler. I know this is the parts car. So guys, one of the disadvantages to having a new Tesla that drives itself is you get a little lazy with looking behind yourself when you're driving. I was backing the Tahoe up the other day, and the mirror in the Tahoe doesn't work that great. But anyway, I'm so used to, I smacked my own PT Chrysler here. How could I do that? Here it is. Anyway, so this light already has a little bit of a damage to it, but you know what? It's gonna work for getting this, just, you know, making it look like a normal car versus that huge thing. Still working on buffing out this dent here, guys, but I should be able to put that screw in. She should fit right in there eventually. A little bit of glue will do some wonders on that, hopefully. You know, again, better than the other one, which was completely smashed to a million pieces. So guys, there you go. It never hurts to have a junkyard donor car there, and you just put the screw back in there and kind of snap back in. It should stay in place. All right, guys, this is Drew with Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'm trying to get this PT Chrysler fixed up to get rid of, just like the other ones, but nothing better than having a spare taillight, even though it's a little bit in poor shape. But hey, you know, if it's got to go, it's got to go. It's better to have a crappy one than not one at all. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.